Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I am digitizing some what I'm calling as ice crystals, snowflake quote blocks that are going to be done in redwork, and these are from some images I created, and I created it in Kaleidoscope Creator. I think I've kind of talked about that before. But this is going to be the artwork that I'm working on right now. And I'm just going to pick a point. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead and make this red work. And I'm just going to kind of, whoops, lay down that first point. Just kind of go along here. Since this one's continuous, I can't necessarily easily go about like doing one of the 6 sides and just rotating. I mean, I could, but then I've got to go back in and do a lot of editing of the points to make sure they line up 100% perfect. So, sometimes when doing that, it's just easier to go ahead and do it by yourself. Digitize the entire thing instead of trying to manipulate 6 or more, different images or copies of it to make it all perfectly line up. Anyway, so as you're going to see for this part right here, this is really not going to take that long. They're definitely going to be a little unique, but I think good, just in time for some holiday stitching. I think these would look pretty cute stitched out for some squares for like a table runner for Christmas, or like a sofa table, something like that. But we'll see. I'm almost done with that portion. Getting close. And then I'll bring it in up here and see if I can't get this on here. Okay, so we're going to generate the stitches, and I'm going to change the color a little bit. Let's make this a strawberry, and then I'm actually just going to go ahead and make that a full point. Change that to redwork, generate, do the same here. Redwork, generate, and then one more down here. And I'm going to take these 3, I'm going to group them together. I'm also going to make them temporarily the same strawberry color, but then I'm going to come back in and make this like slightly different and see how that looks. May not be enough of a difference. Maybe I need to go with something a little softer. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, so now that we have this, this I can go ahead and move it because it is six-sided. Each part is a 60-degree angle. I'm going to click this right here, and it's going to say when I rotate this, rotate it based on the center of the design. And I'm just going to say apply to duplicate 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that right there, I'll go ahead and group all of these, generate my stitches, and when that gets done, that's going to be the size of the design. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my image. I am making this initially an 8-inch size, so I'm going to put it at 198. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Edit, undo. Gotta do select everything. I'm making it for an 8-inch block first, and then I'm going to scale it down to all the way to 5-inch block. So I'll take it inch, so 8, 7, 6, and 5. Okay, so this is what this one's going to look like. I think it's kind of cute. So I'm going to save it as Ice Crystal 2, and I'm going to compile it and put it in the editor. And there's, you can see it there. I think it's going to look good. Now if we take this over here, we can play with it, change this background color, and look at how stunning that looks. It just jumps off of that black background. Anyway, I'm going to go back into the editor. No, I don't want to save the change to the color palette. I'll close this up. Oops. Sorry about that. You didn't need to see that. I will open it up again. Bring that one in. And I will say, oops. I'm going to need to edit. Ungroup. Actually, I will take all of these now, since I had to do that, and I will delete them because this is the corrected one where it touches up there. I didn't see that before. And I will just go ahead and do my transformation. My 60 degrees. Apply to duplicate. Hold on a second. Get rid of these backup files. I'm going to get rid of the Ice Crystal 2. With the exception of my color palette and my EOF file. We will delete them so that now when I go in and regenerate all of this, it won't ask me if I'm sure I want to rewrite everything. So anyway. Okay, So that one's done. We will go back in and do the 7" now. I'm glad I saw that before I did a bunch of them. Transformation window. For me, for 7" I go to a 175mm. Save as. We'll look at it. Still looks the same. Going to open that one up for a 6". I make that 150mm. I'm also going to change the hoop that I put it for, and I'm actually going to make this the brother square hoop. Control Alt and C will center what you have selected. I'm going to do this save as, and then we're going to make this a 6". And one last resize down to 5". So select it all, Control A, transform, and for my 7". I make that 127mm, and I use a inch to millimeter converter to find out the sizes. Actually, I have them written down here right now because I've already done some other sets just the other day. And then Control Alt and C, and it will center it again. Do my save as and call this one a 5". And if we go over here, we can see it's just a 5" version of the same snowflake. So anyway, that's it for today. I just kind of wanted to show you sometimes how easy it is to do up some cute little designs. We will talk to you later. Hope you give it a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye.